Alex here. In this video, we're laying the groundwork for a design catalog, Skema's powerful way to reuse Revit data across projects. If you've built model groups in the past, you'll pick this up quick. Simply put, if you already know how to make a model group in Revit, you already know how to make a design catalog. A design catalog is essentially a collection of elements from one of your past projects. Now, each element becomes a model group, and the collection becomes your entire design catalog. I've seen as little as one element or as many as 100 elements in a design catalog. Either way, Skema can handle it. And within each design catalog element, you can determine the level of detail. For example, if you want full detail of furniture, fixtures, lighting, etc., you can include that within your model group. Once you've determined what elements you want included within your catalog, and once you've formatted everything, you can simply upload them to Skema and start creating quick layouts in new projects reusing smart Revit data.